Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can link databases in your Notion workspace really quickly. For example, from one database to another one in your team space here. So let us show you really quickly how you can do that very quickly without any advanced technical skills. Head over to Notion and select your workspace here in the top left in the first step. And after that, let's assume, for example, I would like to link or connect that test database here I created for demonstration purposes to another database. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me create a completely new database to show you how to do that and how the linking works and properties. So what you want to do is click on that plus icon next to your team space name, and after that select either an empty page or in this case here an empty database to start. And what you want to do after that is simply decide where you would like to place the linking. So let me, for example, go with that here where it says a new page just for the sake of this tutorial. So I would like to place the linking to that test database here. All you need to do is left click on it, and after that simply type in add on your keyboard, and below you will see a list of suggestions. So you may, for example, link or mention people like your team members, or link to pages, sub-pages of your workspace, or to databases. Simply type in the name next to the add sign or icon or symbol here to the right. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to link to that database here. So simply select it from that list of suggestions or type in the name here. And after that, the linking will be added, as you can see. So now if I left click on the linked database, I will be instantaneously redirected to my database. And that's how you add or how you link databases in your Notion workspace in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.